Alright guys, what's up? This is Ryan with Appalachian Offroad MC in Cross Lanes, West Virginia, and we have a 2018 Husqvarna TE300 here. 6,500 is the asking price, and let me tell you a little bit about it. It was brought in, and immediately we tested the top end, went through it a little bit. The compression test on the top end still reads about 205 to 210 psi. That's with 122 hours on the clock. So we didn't touch the top end, should have plenty of life left. We did completely rebuild the clutch here at AOMC. So it has a brand new DDS system in it, fiber steels, rubber dampers, everything. So that's new and works perfectly. We also put brand new chain and sprockets on it. Don't even have a ride. Has brand new wheel bearings. Has akin to Ibex on the front with plenty of life left, and Gakoda on the rear with a soft mousse. So it's already set up for technical single track guys. It's got handguards on it, and I believe, of course, it's got your Polysport clutch cover guard and a skid plate. And I believe that is about it on this one. So if you're interested, call up here to AOMC, ask for Mike or Ryan, and we'll get you hooked up. $6,500, 2018 Husky TE300i. Thanks, guys.